going on? What's happening? What's happening? What's going on here, Bashi? What's going on, Bubba? Where's Sugarbear at? I have to go. What's the matter? What's wrong, love? What's wrong? Where's Sugarbear at? Here he comes. Here he comes. This way. New path. Mad about the new path. Uh-oh. Oh. He's upset. Uh-oh. He's very upset. I don't know what to do. It's the best I can do. Hey, Bubba, what's wrong? What's happening? Yeah? Is something happening? You want to show me? Let's go see. I'm right here. I'm right here for you. I'm right here, Bubba. I'm right here for you. It's okay. Calm down. I'm right here for you. I'm going to go see what it is. Let's go. Yeah? Okay. I get it. You're beautiful and strong and smart. And I trust you. Okay. Something's out here? Okay. Okay. I hear you, Bubba. Show me. Something's bad. What's bad? Something? Where is it, Bubba? What's right there? Out there? Something's in the pasture? Something out there, Bubba? What's happening? Good boy, good boy. Show me, show me. This man is upset about this pasture. So, out there is the Ocala National Forest, and the Navy bombs out there routinely, and they were bombing last night, and it said it would displace animals and to be aware. And I don't know if this displaced a wild animal. Somebody's dog's out, if there's a bear or some kind of big cat. I don't know if the tree fell or somebody. Maybe it's gonna be hard to whip somebody with a dang muck rake. It's better than nothing. I just came out to give them their medicine in the feed. What's happening? What's happening, Bubba? Huh? Let's go. Show me. What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah? Yeah? Tell me, sir. Yeah? Something bad? Something bad was here? You're such a good sniffer. Oh my. Yeah. Do you have a hound dog like this? This is out there is the Ocala National Forest, but people live right here. This is our fence line. People live there. In the storm, I know it got a little bit of fence, a little bit of tree on the fence. Let me see, Bubba. Something was out here. Something was out here, huh, Bub? Let's go eat.